SMT Nation, we back. Nation, we got an update out of Verizon with regards to their fiber. We know how important it is to their future of their network. Let's see what this is about. Let's take a look at the details together. Article link in the description. Also in the description is the real SMT Buy Me a Coffee link. If you want to support the SMT and other creators directly, that's one way you could do it. You can keep me caffeinated and motivated. Also, check out our partner, Mint Mobile, the partner link in the description. Save money on wireless and support the channel in the process. All right, so with this title, Verizon CFO says Fios expansion chugging along. All right, what this is in regards to is the CFO, Matt Ellis, who I think is leaving sometime very, very soon, was discussing the company's larger broadband plans as a whole. He indicated as a metric they're trying to open an additional 500,000 locations for sale this year, 2023. This is great. It's great news. It's news that I think a lot of people are going to be happy about. They did add 550,000 new Fios locations to the footprint in 2022. So if that's going to be the pace moving forward, I think now in total they passed 17 million addresses. 6.7 million Fios internet customers exist today. So in speaking at this investor conference, he said they're going to stay at the 500,000 or more addresses passed each year. All right, so 500,000 each year moving forward for the foreseeable future. You know, hitting those numbers I think is really good. A lot of people have been down about their Fios expansion, saying it's not happening, you know, and it's simply not the case. It's not pacing at any type of outrageous scale. You know, it's not something that you're seeing like in the case of AT&T, which has the BlackRock joint venture partnership. You know, they're getting all types of incredible, you know, government fund bucks to build out, right? Verizon is not going to go that scale. You know, they've acknowledged that. But he did say that there's runway on the Fios side of the business with their existing footprint. You know, he talked about expanding the footprint. The one thing that wasn't properly mentioned here was if they're simply just expanding where they currently exist, right? So if you start at like the outskirts of where your footprint is and you're just slowly building out like a puff of smoke, I guess, that's probably what we're seeing, right? So if you see where they currently offer service in the Northeast, you know, they compete with the likes of some of their, you know, their cohorts for service. You know, you see like there's Altice in those markets. You'll see that there's a cable operator like Spectrum and that sort of thing. They seem to compete well where they are. So they're probably content with that. You know, you're not going to see a Verizon Fios truck in the middle of, you know, Cleveland, Ohio, where they don't do Fios, right? Because this is not the one fiber program, right? Verizon focuses their MCI fiber business for more their metro backbone, which is for enterprise solutions and their tower sites, right? So it's very, very different. But this goes to show you a lot of people will say anything, you know, like Verizon Fios doesn't expand. It does. They just do so at their pace, at their rate. But I will tell you, I mean, there's going to be some happy people. Adding 500,000 locations annually means that within a decade, you've shown in several years, you know, substantial growth of your footprint. And I don't think it's going to change. This sounds to me like they're going to stick to it. What do you guys think? Excited for this? You like what you hear? Wish it was faster? You think it's good for what they plan on doing? Love to hear what you have to say on this. You all the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon to never miss an upload. Links in the description for all things going on with the channel. Big shout out to my YouTube members and patrons for making content on the channel possible. Also, big shout out to anybody who's ever bought me a coffee. If you guys want to do that, you can use the link in the description and get me some caffeine, keep me caffeinated and motivated. Also get a great deal on wireless, Mint Mobile, our partner, that link in the description. Use it, save money, and then you can help out the channel in the process. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great rest of the day. We'll see you all in the next one. Peace.